Today we played this Bulldozer. Not here. Yeah. And we struck. Cool. Hi, Mike.
Hello, Dave.
Where are you going?
I'm going to play bowling.
Bowling?
This is a funny game. There is a special track with bowling pins, and you throw the bowling ball at them.
It must be very funny.
Yeah, it is. Do you want to play?
Yes.
Let's go.
Cool. It's so interesting. I am here.
I brought the pins.
And I have the ball. So, let's start. I'm first. I knocked down 4 pins.
Not bad. Let me try. My turn. I knocked only 1 pin.
Now I will show you cool game.
Yeah, absolutely cool. I'm the master of the bowling. I will show you the magic. The ball fell into the well. And what should we do now?
Oh, I know. We need a bucket and a rope.
I can find the rope. Here it is. It is strange. Something stuck.
Yeah. Thank you. And where is the bucket? Oh, I found. So now we need to put them together and pull out the ball.
Good job! You did it, guys!
I like to play bowling.
Me too! It was funny!
Bye bye!